Alright, dude. As far as like the throttle shot, like basically your accelerator pump or cam, squirter, whatever, is going to be this table here, your wall wetting stuff. So when you log in here, scroll up, you can see as you throttle it up, it moves over. I think this whole area here needs to be trimmed down. So if you don't hit it at the same the same deal every RPM, you know what I mean? So it's obviously different from each one. Down at 2,000, maybe it needs more fuel than it does at 3 or 4 or 5, obviously. So you can see the, it gets up in there, and as soon as it hits the, the big shot of fuel, then the rich spot comes after, and then we're on this roller coaster here. So I think your VE stuff is pretty close. Other than we need to other than you need to like smooth out this area here. You know what I mean? Because it's like you shouldn't have more fuel at that RPM, 5,000, and then more again at 6,500. This needs to be like a little bit more of a swoop to it. So you'll see this come up, and that should just roll over, roll down. And then what's happening here, this herky jerky stuff, that's because you're bouncing between a 96 and an 87. Um, it's looking like it wants it to be, kind of like, I don't know, it's bouncing so much. It probably needs to be in the lower 90s. You know what I mean? So maybe this needs to be like a 95, and this needs to be like a 90, and then that area there. So the issue with this is because basically it's trailing off. You're getting a restriction up here above 7,500. So this just deal needs to be smoothed out. You know what I mean? Maybe something along those lines. That'll chill it out. The other thing you can do is, if you want to see where it is on the map, you can highlight this. And that's there. So if you want, and then if you make a change on here, you'll see it. You'll see it move up in your graph. So the smoother this graph looks, realistically, it probably needs to be, you know, um, just tame down something like this, something along those lines, and then that'll kind of chill some of that out. So, anyways, give that a try. Fool with it some more, but I think the main thing you need to do is in here.